to set time on your Garmin Instinct 3, solar or AMOLED, very same instruction. Press and hold the menu button, go down to clocks, and go down to time sync right here. Select it. It will by default sync with your phone, but if your phone is not available, you can press the the ABC button and it will sync with GPS. Now, if you want to do it manually, go back to the main page, press and hold the menu button, go up to System, and go down to Time. From here, you can set it to 24-hour mode, 12-hour mode, or military. You can choose your date format, and you can also set time. As you can see here, it's automatic. I can set it to manual, and then I'm able to set the time. Here I can set the hours, here I can set the minute. Unfortunately, you cannot set the date. So I suggest to leave it on auto, and it does a pretty good job. So I hope this was helpful.